No such boxing in this time for Ben Speed. He leads the way down into turn 10. Great start for Montreux Vizioso in third place. Danny Ragosa usually expected to be leading the way. Up to Mazzini out.
Yeah, Mazzini's gone. He was in 13th position. He's crashed and he is out of the race. Now turn 11 for the first time into that fast. All turn 12, there's a bit of a bump in there the riders have to deal with. Then into 13
here comes
between
helicopter.
And 14 that Speeds, Stoner and Hayden all had their crashes and they come through this time, no problems for them. Thankfully on this occasion. It's going to be Ben Speeds into the start-finish straight. He's going to lead after one lap of the Red Bull Indy Grand Prix here at Climax.
Oh shit!
Perfectly set up to Vizioso, Lorenzo. Very good start by Stefan Bradl and Alvaro Bautista in 6th.